Hi, welcome to Know Your Economics. Today we are gonna talk about dominoes effect. The domino effect refers to a chain reaction where one event sets off a sequence of similar events, much like a row of falling dominoes. It's commonly used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Let's discuss the literal meaning. When actual domino pieces are arranged in a line, tipping one over causes the others to fall sequentially. And its metaphorical usage, economics. A small economic event, for example, a big failure can trigger larger economic consequences in interconnected systems. Social dynamics. A single action can initiate widespread social or political changes, such as one protest leading to a revolution. Personal life. One decision or event can lead to a series of consequences. For example, missing a bus leads to being late for an interview, which affects job prospects. Practical applications of dominoes effect is planning and strategy. Understanding potential domino effects can help in mitigating risks. Storytelling. Writers often use domino effects in narratives to show how one event impacts characters or outcomes. Let's go to an example. Have you ever seen dominoes falling? That single push can trigger a chain reaction. In economics, this concept is no different, and it's called the domino effect. Let's take an example. Imagine a major company in a supply chain declares bankruptcy. The big company icon fades or topples over, leaving a payment overdue notice for suppliers. First, this company fails to pay its suppliers. Consequences of this may cause the suppliers, now in financial trouble, cut their workforce to survive. Next effect is the laid-off employees reduce their spending, as they now have less income. And the further impact, local stores showing low sales or closing down signs. Local businesses, which depend on consumer spending, suffer from reduced demand. And the final result, turning gray to symbolize a downturn. Just like that, the local economy weakens, even leading to a recession. This is how a single failure can ripple through an entire system, showing just how interconnected our economies are. This is dominoes effect. If you found this example interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into economics and beyond.